So we're in three positions at the moment from the positions that were identified in the last video. I'll start at the top is euro dollar. Euro dollar we got in around this level because of the break of this trend line. I don't think this is all of the correction. It seems like we might get something like this. 1, 2, 3. I think I'll probably look for something like that, and then from there we might get further upside. That's what it seems like at the moment. In fact, look at 15 minutes. We might want to get out of this now. I think if we break out of this, I think if we break out under this level, then I think we'll take off the buy that we're currently in, because this is a pretty good impulse and correction. And also, if you go to the 1 hour, also this is a very good, if put it this way, if we are dealing with a larger correction like this, then this level is a very good place for it to start retracing or start going back down to this level. So that's the plan with euro dollar. If we break this out of this structure, then we will get out of that buy. Euro dollar, we've got euro New Zealand. So previously, the last video, I think we had something like this, or something like that, or something like this. So I think we got in more or less at this level, thinking that this might be the entire correction. It turns out that we're looking at a bit of a larger correction, and this is very similar to what's happening on euro dollar, I suppose, is that we got in a bit early, but the correction was larger. So in this case, we got in a bit early, but it looks like the correction is going to turn out to be a lot larger. So here in New Zealand, we stayed in that sell. If we saw this and some type of correction like this, then we would get out of that sell, because that would indicate that we would be going higher. However, we saw this pattern 1, 2, 3, and then on the hour we got pretty good confirmation that a reversal was happening here. I think this is a warning star or some type of bearish signal, reversal signal. That is not a trigger to get in, but if we get some type of consolidation here, consolidation here, doesn't have to be much, that would be a very good sell signal. So that's what we were waiting for. We're still in the sell, we'll keep that sell. If we get something like this, right, this is exactly what we want. So we want that down move, and we want some type of correction here, right? If we get that, then we'll be in that sell. So that's the plan for Euro New Zealand. And then New Zealand dollar is the last one that we bought. This one is looking like we'll get some more upside. But we got in at this level, broke onto this structure. As you can see, pretty typical impulse. We've got a pretty good correction. So we're hoping this will come up to about this level. So the question is this the entire correction, or if we go to the 1 hour, or are we going to make a bigger correction, something like that? So we'll wait and see. Once we get close to the top here, if we get close to the top there, we'll wait to see if we get either some consolidation, or we'll get to the top and we'll just keep going, or we'll get to the top, we'll start coming down, make a bit of a correction, and then I will get out of the buy if we see something like that. And then maybe we'll be in the sell to get this trade down here. Or if there's something else happening here, we might just keep going down. So we don't know what's going to happen. Point is, based on what we're seeing, we're still confident that we'll get some upside. It's always possible. It's always possible that this is sort of the end of this wave, and this is the beginning of the next wave, something like that. But at this level, it's very rare to see a flat turnaround at this level or any correction. I suppose you could see a zigzag, maybe something like that, turning around this level. But the way this is formed, it looks, I'm not sure if this is a reversal or continuation. Maybe if we watch it develop a bit more, then we'll see what that looks like. So those are the 3 trades that we are in or that we're watching, and we'll watch that to see how it develops.